YouTube, what's good? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Today in this video, is this one right here is just gonna be like some real stuff. Just me talking like to everybody that feel like, you know what I mean, I've been absent, I've been MIA. This video right here is gonna kind of give everybody a reason why. And some of you probably gonna be like, what are you talking about? You ain't went nowhere. But about a week ago, I want to say like a week and a half ago, I got a call from my dad, and he told me that my sister passed. This is the same. This is my only sister. This is the sister that told me to get on YouTube and start this YouTube channel. And I was really like hurt. I was hurt for a minute. I got the news. I really didn't believe it. I hit my sister up. I called her. I kept calling her. And after it kind of clicked in, it was just like, man, I just broke down, man. I couldn't really I wasn't really on Instagram like that. I really wasn't on YouTube. The video I did put out about the, waivers, that one was already uploaded, you know what I mean? So it may not seem like I was gone for a minute, but, for me and how I upload like every other day, for anybody that's been following me for a minute, you guys know I haven't really been, posting too much on YouTube. But that's basically what I was going through, man. Like losing my sister, and then the whole leading up to the funeral, it was just hard. But I just want to thank everybody on the wave pages. That's basically why I told the wave pages first, because I felt like the wave game is really like my family. That's what I started with. That's what I built my YouTube channel on at first. You know what I mean? It was wave. So my whole wave family on Facebook, I told them, and I salute to everybody on the wave pages for just sending their prayers, sending their love, sending their condolences, and all that. And it really lifted my spirits up a little bit, because I know my sister really wouldn't want to see me down. You know what I mean? She wouldn't want me to be like depressed or down. But I remember like having conversations with my sister, like, man, Jared, if you ever passed away, man, I don't know what I would do. But I know what I would say at your funeral. You know what I mean? I know I would talk hecka good about you. I know what I would tell them so many stories. And it's like, I always used to think, yeah, actually do that, because, I'm going to die first. You know what I mean? I always thought that, like, I'm going to go first. So I never thought that it would be the other way around. So that's just what I've been dealing with for the past, like, week or so. The funeral is over. I got to say what I wanted to say about my sister. And, man, it's just been real hard, though, especially, like, reflecting back on what you guys used to do, what she did for me in my life. She spoke into my life. Like, this video was supposed to have been made a while ago. This is the video that will never get to happen. Me and my sister was supposed to get on YouTube. I was supposed to have her on, basically just talking about how I got on YouTube. I know if you guys seen the $1 million, not $1 million, but the million subscriber video, and I was talking about how I got on YouTube. But we was actually supposed to make that a brother and sister thing, and that video probably would never be. I mean, it would never happen. It would never happen. So, but I do want to tell you guys, it was my sister that really pushed me to get on YouTube. And man, without her, it just like, without her telling me to get on YouTube, I wouldn't even be here, y'all. I wouldn't even make videos. I wouldn't even have these waves like this. I mean, my waves would probably been decent because I watched her cruise, but I never really took it to another level, because getting on YouTube and, really trying to showcase my skills and showcase, my hair and all that, it took me to another level. It always like motivated me to get better and better and better. And that's what making these videos and documenting my journey, that's what it was all about. Just me just, you know, taking it to another level. And I got nothing but love for my sister for doing this to me, man. So I just want to leave it on this, you guys. And this is what I said at my sister's funeral. If you guys out there, you got family, don't stop speaking negative over your family, right? Stop speaking negative over them. Like, speak highly of them. Talk to them. Tell them what their strengths are. You know what I mean? Because if my sister never would have told me to get on YouTube and, you know, be yourself, I would have never been in this position that I am today. And I know God could speak through anybody. I'm not saying that this isn't a God thing or whatnot, but it took my sister to tell me that, for me to click and realize, dang, maybe I can. You know what I mean? So speak into each other's lives, man. Don't be jealous of anybody's success or anybody's gift. You know what I mean? Build them up, man. Build them up. Because with this, I was able to talk about, I was able to help my sister through whatever she was going through, by me being on YouTube and, you know, being a barber and all that, just helping me out in life, period. I was still able to give back to my sister. So just be a blessing to your family, man. Like, I'm able to sit here and not really be too emotional because I know what I did with my sister's life. You know what I mean? I know what I imparted in my sister's life. I know what I said. I know how she felt about me. She know how I felt about her. And it was just all pure love, man. It was never no hate, never no jealous of one another. We just wanted to see each other grow. So that's what I want to leave you guys with. Just be a blessing to each other's lives, man. Your sister, family is all you got. Your brothers, your sisters, your cousins, that's all you got. If you got problems with your sister, you got problems with your brother, you got problems with any of your family, tomorrow ain't promised, right? Make amends with it. If you feeling some type of way about it, just talk about it. And that's basically it. That's all I can say to you guys. I'm gonna be back making videos. My sister would want me to just keep going. I'm the rest of this whole YouTube channel, the rest of my journey, I'm going hard for my sister. I'm going hard. I'm going in. No more. I wasn't slacking before, but now I got a real purpose to just go that much more harder. So I hope this gives you kind of an understanding of where I've been, and yeah, I mean, I really don't, I'm kind of bad with this because I don't really know how to, you know, but yeah, RIP Ashley in the comment section below, hashtag RIP Ashley Stovall, ASHLEY STOVALL, man. That was my sister, my only sister. She's the reason for all of this. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out. Cheers.